It's Joe Zekas from YoChicago.com. I'm in downtown Oak Park, one of the most convenient, fun neighborhoods in all of Chicagoland. I'm at the Oak Park City Apartments, which has been inspired, as you can see, by Frank Lloyd Wright. And I'm headed inside for a walk through one of the apartments. I'm in Unit 218, a spacious one-bedroom. There's wide plank flooring in the entryway. Galley-style kitchen with honey-colored cabinetry. Granite counters, built-in microwave and dishwasher. Double-bowl stainless steel sink. And there's a breakfast bar pass-through out to what's a spacious living dining area. Lots of room in this room. It's wide and deep and gives you a lot of flexibility in how you lay out your furniture. And it also gives you a view out onto Lake Street, the artery of downtown Oak Park, lined with bars, restaurants, one-of-a-kind shops, great access to public transit. This coat closet off to the left as you would have entered. And a bath with a very wide vanity and a mirror that spans the width of the wall. Bath has a tub shower combination and also has a deep linen closet. Bedroom has a walk-in closet as you enter. Really generously sized room. Can accommodate any size bed, additional furniture, and even have space for a home office if you wanted. Downtown Oak Park gives you great public transit access to western suburbs and to downtown Chicago. Great expressway access, a fun, event-filled, friendly environment. Place you ought to visit if you're looking for a very convenient apartment in the near Chicago suburbs. And Oak Park City Apartments is one of the places you should put on your must-visit list when you're here. Oak Park City Apartments has a welcoming lobby with a fireplace and a variety of comfortable seating areas. There's a 24-hour resident lounge and business center with Wi-Fi and a 24-hour fitness room with cardio and strength training equipment. The building has underground parking and an on-site car wash. Oak Park City Apartments is a pet-friendly complex. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.